Hey guys, this is Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make your very own low battery transition or effect on TikTok. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example right now. Seems like your phone is low battery again, so time to charge your phone and let's replay this video. So that's what the video looks like, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make your very own today. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam. And now let's get on with the video. For this one, I'm going to be teaching both my iOS and Android users, so if you're one of them, then keep watching. I'm going to get started with my iOS users first. So for my Android users, I'm going to be putting a time frame in the description for you guys to click on so you could watch the Android part of this tutorial. I'm going to be teaching Android too, even though this effect that we're going to be doing is specifically an effect that you could find on an iOS device. So going back to my iOS users, before we get started, you're going to be needing a few apps. And those apps are the TikTok app, the camera app, and also the iMovie app. I'm going to be putting the names of the apps in the description for you guys to click on so you could download those apps if you don't have them yet. Once you have them downloaded, then the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be filming something, and it could be anything. So since this is just a tutorial for you guys, I'm going to be using one of my old videos so that we could get started right away with editing this TikTok. Today we're gonna be editing this old TikTok / Musical.ly that I made like 2 years ago, and it's gonna be this one right here. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is like from a long time ago. But anyways, we're gonna be using this video right here to put our fake low battery notification. So to do that, we're gonna be going into iMovie. Once you're on your iMovie, then the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be going ahead and clicking the plus sign right here and click on movie. On this one, we're going to be importing the video that you guys are going to film, or any TikTok that you guys wanted to do. It is up to you. And for me, it's going to be this one right here. So once you have it imported, then the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to get rid of the black side that's in our video. So we're just going to use our 2 fingers and rotate it just like that. And once you have it rotated just like that, then the next step that we're going to be doing is we are going to be finding a part in the video where you want to add the fake low battery notification. So for me, I think I'm gonna add it probably like right here, because you know, interesting stuff happening. So to add our low battery notification, we're gonna make this pause. To do that, we're gonna be clicking on the video right here, and we're gonna be clicking on the time option at the bottom, and we're gonna be pressing on freeze. Once you have it freeze, then it should do this. Like it froze to my face, like doing like that, like what is this? But anyways, once you have done that, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're actually gonna be exporting this, and then we're gonna be taking a screenshot of this screen right here. So just press on done in the top left, click on the share option, save it to the highest quality possible. Once it is done exporting, then we're going to be going ahead and going into our camera roll, and we're going to be going to the ones that we just exported from iMovie, and for me it's going to be this one right here. So on this one, you're going to be finding the part where you actually pause the video, and for me it's going to be this one right here. As you can see, it's just paused like that. You're going to be pausing on this video like that, and then we're going to be rotating it just so we could get rid of the black sides, and we're going to be taking a screenshot. Once you have taken a screenshot, then we're going to be going into the screenshot itself, and we're going to be clicking on edit. And depending on your phone, because I have like an iPhone X, so like whenever I play like 16:9 videos or like vertical videos, there's always going to be like actual black bars into the sides of the video, and as you can see, there's black bars in the sides of our video. So if you do have an iPhone X or anything like that, then you should do this. But if you have like below iPhone X, then you should be fine. Once you press on edit, we're going to be clicking on the bottom right option with the squares, and we're going to be pressing on 16:9, and it should take out all of the black bars in the sides in our video, and just press on done. Once you have cropped them, we have one more thing to do, and that is to make this picture right here a little bit dimmer. Because to my iOS users, you know that whenever our phones are low battery, the background dims a little bit. So we're going to be doing the same effect thing so that it looks more believable that someone's phone is actually low battery. And to do that, we're gonna be clicking on the timer thing on the bottom, which is this one. And we're gonna be clicking on lights, then click on the 3 dashes on the right side. For the exposure one, we're gonna be pressing on that one, and we're just gonna slide this all the way down just like that. It looks like that's what's gonna happen when someone's watching your video and then the low battery pops up. So once you have done that, just press on done, and now it's time for us to go back again into iMovie and import this picture. So let's just go back into our iMovie project, and we're gonna be using the same project, by the way. And as you can see where this freeze thing is, we're gonna be going to the beginning of the freeze, and for me it starts right over here, and I'm gonna be clicking on split. In the middle of these two, we're gonna be adding the screenshot that we just took. So we're gonna click on the plus sign right here, click on photos. So when you import photos on here, it might show up like not in the middle. So to fix that, we're gonna be clicking on the photo right here where it says can burns enabled. We're gonna be disabling that one so that it doesn't do that to our picture. And the next step is you're just gonna be using your 2 fingers to zoom out. So once you have done all of that, then you should have something like this when you play it. And that is what we want to happen. So right now, the next thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding on the fake low battery notification that I have for you guys. I actually made like a template for this one, so you could download this one in the description down below. So download that one. You're gonna be needing the Google Drive app to download it, and once you have it on, then this is the next step that we're gonna be doing, and which is importing it to our project. So right now, we're gonna be pressing on the plus sign right here, and we're just gonna be selecting the ones that you just downloaded from Google Drive, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. We're not gonna be pressing the plus sign this time. We're gonna be pressing the 3 dots on the sides, and when you click on that one, it should give you a lot of options just like this. And as you can see, there's cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, green, blue screen, and audio only. So we're gonna be pressing on green, blue screen because that is what we're gonna do. When you import the green screen thing, make sure that you put it like in between these two right here, or like kind of like in the beginning right here. And when you play it, it should look something like this. Does it look nice? Yes, it does. So that is pretty much how I did it, and for this one, you could actually fix how long you want it to be. You could crop this shorter if you need it shorter, or if you want it longer, you could always go ahead and go on the speed option and click on freeze to make the notification much longer. Just a little tip when you do this, just leave like probably like 3 to 5 seconds of this low battery notification just to make it believable. People could be like, oh, low battery. Clicks, but it doesn't work. They just paused the video. So that is pretty much how I did mine. One more thing though is that in my video, I showed like the low battery notification, and then a few seconds later, I popped in without anything in my background. I'm just like, seems like your phone is low battery again. The way I did that is basically I had like a green screen behind me, and this is just very optional if you want to be like extra. Basically, this is my video of me saying that. It's just like a green screen of me just saying like, seems like your phone's low battery again. That's basically what I did, and then I just imported it into iMovie, and same thing as what I did on the fake notification. I just go ahead and import it as green/blue screen, then I put it on the top of what I have for the green screen, and then boom, magic happened. So once you think that you're done, let's go ahead and export this video by going to the share option, click on the save video, and as always, save it to the highest quality possible, and for me that would be 4K. Wow! Once you have it saved, then it's time for us to share this to TikTok. So let's go ahead and go back into our TikTok app. Just press on the plus sign right here and click on upload, and we're gonna be selecting the video that we just exported from iMovie, and for me it's gonna be this one right here. If your video is rotated just like this, just rotate it until you get the right rotation, just like this. And press on next, and press on next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own fake low battery notification effect, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySpam so that I could watch your videos and hopefully react to them in the future. So that's pretty much what I did on my video on how to make a fake low battery notification. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Android time. So now it is time to teach my Android users on how you could make your very own as well. And yeah, before we get started, you're gonna be needing a few apps, and those apps are the TikTok app, the camera app, the KineMaster app, and also the crop and trim app. I'm gonna be leaving the names of the apps in the description for you guys to click on so you could download those apps if you don't have them yet. And yeah, once you have all of those apps ready, then the first thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be filming some TikToks. And I'm gonna be skipping this part just because I want to show you guys the editing part of this one and how I did it. On this one, you could do so many things. You could like pretend you're gonna be doing a slow-mo. You could do like a comedy. You could do like just you walking. I don't know. It is up to you. But just know that we're gonna be doing that low battery notification thing. So anything that makes it interesting and then like suddenly it's low battery, it is up to you what kind of content you want to make. Since we're skipping that one, I'm going to be using one of my old TikToks. Once you're done filming, then the next thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be editing this video in KineMaster. So let's go ahead and open up our KineMaster app. Once you're in your KineMaster, we're going to go ahead and press on the plus sign to make a new project. And the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be importing our TikTok. So just go ahead and go on media. And for me, my video is right over here. So I'm just going to be using this old TikTok. Like, you know, for my last tutorial, if you guys didn't watch it, I taught you guys how to do this one. So I'm going to be using this one exactly. The next step that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going ahead and importing a template that I made for you guys. It's basically the low battery template. You can download this one in the description as well. And you're going to be needing the Google Drive app to download this one. So once you have it downloaded, then the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be importing this into our project by going into layer and click on media. And for me, my video is gonna be right over here. So as you can see, it does this to our screen. Like, it doesn't really make sense right now. So I'm just gonna hold and drag this to the side for now, just because we want to pick which part of the video you want to pause on. So for me, I think I want to pause on this part of the video. And when you find a part that you want to pause, then let's go ahead and click on the clip right here. And we're gonna be clicking on the scissors. And we're gonna be clicking on split at playhead. And also for this one, before you do anything else, we're gonna be clicking on this square thing on the left side of our screen, and that is for screenshot. So we're going to be pressing on that one and click on capture frame and insert to the left of clip. Once you have done that, then you should have something like this. As you can see, our picture's like this, like zooming out, and we don't want that. So to take it out, we're going to be pressing on the photo right here. Click on the crop icon. And for this one, as you can see, it does this. We're going to be pressing on the equal sign. Once you have pressed on the equal sign, then it should have something like this. And also make sure that it is not cropped or anything like that. If it is cropped for you, we're just going to be clicking on equal sign again. And just double tap in your screen to make it full screen. Once you have completed this, the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to make this effect where we're going to make this part of the photo dim. Because if you guys don't know, for the iOS users, every time we get a notification, like let's say for the low battery, the background always dims down and then it's gonna show like the notification. So to make that effect and make it more believable, we're gonna make this photo a little bit dim by clicking on the clip right here, and we're gonna be pressing on color adjustment. And for this one, we're gonna be putting it into like probably like 56, 55. So something like that should be good. So now when you play your clip, it should look something like this. As you can see, it looks like there's a dim effect in our video, and that is what we want. Once you have done that, the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and import a template that I made for you guys. Basically, I have in the description of a clip of the low battery notification, and I made this for you guys. You can download them in the description. Also, you'll be needing Google Drive to download this one. So once you have it downloaded, then it should go into your gallery. To import that, we're going to be going in and importing this as layer, and click on media. And we're going to be selecting that video that we just downloaded, and for me it's going to be this one right here. As you can see, it does this into our video. Before you do anything else, just make this full screen a little bit by holding on and doing just like that. Once you have done that, we're going to be dragging this a little bit before the picture starts. As you can see, the picture starts right here. We're going to be putting the low battery notification like right around somewhere here. The next step after this one is we're going to be taking out the green of this video by clicking on the layer. Click on Chroma Key and click on enable. If you want, you can play around with the numbers. It is up to you, whatever you think is best. So for me, my numbers are 50 and 28. So as you can see, our low battery notification just popped up right here, just like that. So that is pretty much how I did mine. And for this one, you could do so many more things. In my example video, as you guys remember, I put myself on top of the notification again. So basically the same thing. But for you to do that, you're going to be needing a green screen. And you could be so creative with this one. It is up to you on what kind of TikTok you want to make. So once you're done with your low battery notification, then let's go ahead and show this to TikTok and share it to the world what we got. So we're going to be pressing on the project right here, and we're going to be clicking on the share option, click on export, and let's let it load. So my video just finished exporting, and now we're going to be doing one last thing, and that is cropping. If you guys remember, we have black sides in our video and we don't want that to happen. So to take out the black sides, we're gonna go ahead and use the crop and trim video. We're gonna be clicking on crop, click on photos, and just import the ones that you just exported from KineMaster. Just go ahead and press on portrait on the bottom part of your screen and press on the check sign and let it export again and crop our video. Once it is done cropping, then the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead now and going into TikTok. Once you're in your TikTok, we're going to go ahead and press on the plus sign right here and click on upload, and we're going to be pressing on the video that we just exported from the crop video app, and for me it's going to be this one. And just press the next and press the next again. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own fake low battery notification effect, then be sure to put in the hashtag #SkySpam so that I could watch your videos and hopefully react to them in the future. So that's pretty much it on how you could make your very own low battery notification prank slash effect thingamajiggy for TikTok. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links being in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye. Mario.